guys, so for this video I'm going to be trying out this mascara. I have been seeing it everywhere on TikTok and Instagram, so I decided to pick one up myself. I've seen videos of people trying different ones and I decided to try this one out. I should have got at least 2 of them to try and see which one will work best, but I kind of wanted to try this one. This one is a waterproof mascara and I really wanted to try one that's waterproof because I do not have one that's waterproof, and they always flake and stuff and go underneath my eyes and whatnot, so I was like, maybe it won't flake if it's waterproof, right? So I decided to pick one up for myself since, you know, it's waterproof. So I wanted to try it on camera for you guys today, and yeah, kind of excited to try it. Hope it works well and it lasts long, and I hope it washes off as well. Still has the packaging on it. You know, it doesn't really say anything on it. It just says Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara Waterproof. Cruelty free. We love a cruelty free product. Okay, so I just took the paper off and it says on the back a lot of things. Waterproof mascara for irresistible false lash effect and a dramatic volume. So hopefully it gives me what I'm looking for, right? Only one way to find out. Normally I like to curl my lashes before I put mascara on, but in this case, since I'm trying it out, I don't want to do that. I probably should, since I normally do, but I'm not going to. I really like how this feels. It's like very interesting. Very interesting, but this is what it's looking like. I do not have a, I do this every freaking time. I need to get a mirror, but I'm not going to use a mirror. I'm going to use this as my mirror, which is probably not the best idea. Oh wow, what the hell? Okay, well, I mean, it looks good. It looks really good, actually. But all mascara does, once you put mascara on, you know, you see what isn't normally there, which is lashes. My lashes are not really existent without mascara, so any mascara pretty much does me justice. So you see the comparison? You actually see my lashes versus this side, you see like barely. I might do 2 coats, but I'm about to do the second one. I need a mirror. My eyelashes aren't straight or anything, but I like to have a little bit more curl right here because they're a little bit more like straight right here. You probably can't see it on camera, but they are, and it's annoying. Ooh, okay, I like it. I'm going to be doing a second coat as well. Oh my god, it looks so good. It's not clumpy or anything, so that's great. It normally clumps up when you do 2 coats. 2 coats, 1 coat. Oh, almost stabbed my eye, y'all. I can't tell if it's blurry or not. It's kind of hard for me to see. The light dimmed. I need to figure out why it does that. That's annoying. There you go. This one needs to be curled, because that one's more, you can't really see the top part. Okay. I like it. It looks really good. I like the effect it gives. To me, it's like any other mascara, so it's not like a huge difference to me. It's just a mascara. I mean, they look good. Don't get me wrong. They look really good. And it works pretty good for what it's supposed to be doing, I guess. Volume. And it's waterproof. So, we'll see if it flakes off like the other mascaras I use. And I'll get back to you, let you know what I think at the end of the day, okay? Awesome. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Of course, it helps me out a ton. I'm trying to reach a certain goal, so that will help me out a ton. Thank you so much for everybody that watches my videos, subscribed or not. I do appreciate all of you just for clicking the video. I really appreciate it. I really, really, really do. So, thank you very much. I did cut my hair, so I love it. I really love it. I haven't had my hair this short ever. This is my first time having it this short. It's crazy. I finally found somebody that would cut it this short, so that made me so happy. When she did it, I was like, yes, she didn't give me no problem. We didn't argue or anything. It was nice. I love my hair this short. I cannot wait to see it curly. So if you guys want to stick around and see what that is going to look like, go ahead and subscribe to your girl. we'll see what this is looking like a little bit later. I'm not gonna wipe my eyes or anything. I'm just gonna let it do what it do and see if it crumbles, because it always does underneath my eyes for some reason. I hate it. It just has like little pieces of mascara. Anyways, see you later. Hi guys, so I do like this mascara. I went to sleep for 2 hours, woke up, eyes were still fine. I was laying down on my side and my eyes were a little watery. The mascara didn't run or anything, so I'm happy with the result. You can see that. They're still looking good. My makeup is kind of ripped off for the most part, but the eyelashes are still going. Didn't run or anything, messed up nothing, so yes. Just wanted to come back, show you guys and tell you what I think. I like it. I'm going to start using it more often. I actually kind of like waterproof mascara now that I know that it doesn't smudge and stuff. That's amazing. I'm about to go to sleep. I'm tired, but yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. I really appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't already, please hit the subscribe button and like this video. Don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section below, and yeah, have a wonderful day. Bye. I've seen videos on different ones. There's different, normally, let me throw this away. This is what it looks like when I pull it out. Hold on. Come on, focus. Focus. And if I'm not mistaken, it looks a little blurry, so come on, focus. I know I'm pretty close, but dang. My lashes are pretty. Focus. I need to take the autofocus off. That's annoying. But I'm going to do a second focus. Oh my gosh, this camera does not want to focus on me. There we go.